Guys, this is the craziest dental place you will ever see. Huge glass walls, windows, whatever you want to call them. They got patients with their feet almost touching the window. It's crazy. It's basically a circus. I'm surprised you don't have to pay to go over there and get dental lessons and learn how to become a dentist from the sidewalk. So we had a look, guys. They wanted to ask us what we're doing. We asked them what they're doing.
I'm just asking, what time are the clients scheduled for today? And what kind of dental work would they be getting done? What prices?
And of course, the question game was a one-way street. She just wanted our business. They didn't want to share no information, people. What happened next, you already know. She called the Care Bears. The Care Bears came through, driving crazy. I don't know what they were doing, reversing. They could have easily parked in the parking lot and walked out.
No emergency lights, no nothing.
But they did this crazy reversal move just to get dismissed quick, guys.
You can't trespass me for not committing a crime, you idiot.
Let's get into this one.
What's up, legends, ladies and gentlemen? Canada Cop Watch. Still out here with True North. Same day, different spot. On the sidewalk. Can't hear you. Traffic. Too much traffic, I can't hear.
Every day, every day, every day, every day.
Sorry? Well, why what?
Why we're recording it at the offices, is something for the building or management?
So how many clients do we have today?
How many clients are not sure?
What time are they scheduled for?
I'm not sure. Why are we recording?
I'm just asking, what time are the clients scheduled for today?
I'm not sure.
And what kind of dental work would they be getting done? What prices?
I can't say.
I would have to have the same answers for you then. If you're not, you want to come out and ask questions, but you don't want to share any information. That doesn't make sense. Okay, you have a good one. That's how quick a story starts, no? Walking by, all of a sudden, now you got a story of why the hell are they doing this right at the front, right for public display? Why?
It's like the fish tank of dental.
It's got to be discount. I got to figure out, is it discounted dental or what's happening in here?
It's the fish tank of dentistry. They charge admission out here. If you want to stand right in front of the window and watch, it's $10 a head.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me.
No emergency lights, no nothing.
Guys, here I went live, so I had to stop the recording for 2 seconds and switch over to my other phone, but go check out True North Transparency's page. He's also got a video from his angle on this interaction, and it'll have the part that's missing. Go check it out, people.
Yeah, so don't come up here. If you're gonna lie, just get back in your car. If you want to have a normal conversation, do that. Don't come here telling us some bullshit.
No one's lying.
Yeah, okay.
So we understand what you've been doing today, going around and whatnot.
Okay, good. Then go back to work then. I don't need your directives. I know how to work. I don't tell you how to do your job. You're not going to tell me how to do mine. Go to work.
I'm not asking.
Listen, I don't care what you're saying. Go talk to the people that called you.
Here, listen, I'll say it very clearly.
I don't need to hear it.
I'll say it very clearly for you. You're on the sidewalk.
I don't care.
You go on
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. You can't trespass me for not committing a crime, you idiot. The fuck is wrong with you?
Don't take your fish out of water. Don't fry bacon naked. You know, dumb shit like that. Keep it up, bitch.
Sidewalk, you okay?
Yeah. Put the left foot on the left foot, the right foot on the right foot. Go to work.
You're not here to enforce feelings. It's laws.
Dumbest shit I heard. How could you trespass us for no crime?
Tyrants.
You guys just go to work, man. Go solve some crime. How about that? Go solve some crime.
Two sergeants out for cameras?
For fucking cameras. Guys are jokes. Who are you? Excuse me? You're on live, just so you know.
That's fine.
Right now you're under investigation. I'm putting you under investigation detective.
Oh. Do your fucking job. How about
I
that?
am. And I'm warning you.
Don't warn me. I'm not your fucking child.
Pull your mask down, tell me your name, and you can walk away, or you can videotape us. That's perfectly fine. But right now I'm investigating for someone that videotapes us all the time that has 2 active warrants out. Now, you can tell me your name, or
What are these warrants for?
Okay, you're going to put handcuffs.
Sir,
that. I'm being arrested, my people. I don't answer questions. Do your job. Figure it out. Watch yourself, man. Don't fucking step on my foot. Don't step on my foot. So if you work with us, we can work with...
I don't work with pigs.